Hey there! Are you ready to take your brand's success to the next level? Well, look no further because today we're diving into the world of TikTok marketing. TikTok has taken the social media world by storm, with millions of users flocking to the platform every day. And the best part? It's not just for dancing teens anymore. If you want to boost your brand's success, TikTok is where it's at. With its algorithm designed to promote organic reach, you have the opportunity to reach a massive audience and skyrocket your brand's visibility. So, what's the secret to TikTok marketing success? First up, you need to understand your target audience. TikTok is all about authenticity and entertainment, so you need to create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Secondly, don't be afraid to jump on trends. TikTok is all about hopping on the latest challenges and sounds. By staying up to date, you can ride the wave of popularity and increase your chances of going viral. Next, it's time to collaborate. Partnering with popular TikTok creators or influencers can help boost your brand's exposure and credibility. Their loyal fanbase can become your potential customers. Finally, engage. Respond to comments, participate in duets, and create a sense of community. TikTok marketing is all about building relationships and fostering a loyal and enthusiastic following. So, are you ready to conquer TikTok and boost your brand's success? Get started today and watch your reach and engagement skyrocket. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing marketing tips and tricks.